Let me take this chance, David, just to
Sure.
highlight something about KuCoin. The differences between KuCoin and the Binance. KuCoin have some advantages over Binance. One of them is the trade volume. Like in Binance, we know that the minimum trade that you can make is $10 to $11. Like you cannot buy with a lower amount. You cannot sell a lower amount. In KuCoin, some coins actually can give you the leverage of trading as low as $0.5, like 50 cents. So the implication of this is that people of lower capitals can still go in and trade safely and trade using the same strategy that we have it, which in Binance, we cannot use lesser than 600. But now in KuCoin, the people who don't have enough capital, they can trade as low as $200. And still, it's going to be sustaining the market, buying on the low until more than 50% using exactly the same strategy that the people of 600 can use. Yeah, these are two important. One more thing actually on KuCoin is that KuCoin also allows for sub accounts. You can create a sub account inside your own account where you can just use that for trading, and keep the main account where you have your assets and everything in a separate basket, let's say. You keep the main account, and then whatever you want to trade in Easybot, you put it here in this sub-account. If you are trading with another bot or something else, you can put it in another sub-account. And that's allowed for everyone, even the non-verified account. If you're just a user without getting your KYCs done, still you can have access to that and make sub-accounts and enjoy that kind of feature that they have.